if I'm using the new Google integration, the Google Assignments LTI 1.3, and I have given all of my students a copy of an assignment, and they are turning it back into me. When I come into Canvas and open that assignment, I see my assignment details, but at the bottom of that, or if you said load in a new window, you have to click that load in a new tab before you will see this, but you will see this Google Assignments section. So this section down here, to go over a few things here, we have 3 students have submitted this assignment. ES student right here, I did the originality report and it found 7 flagged passages, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But I can also see that the student has resubmitted this assignment. So I graded it, gave it back to them, asked them to make some corrections, and now they've resubmitted it. For HS student here, there's 57 flagged passages. I'm in the middle of grading it. That's why it says draft. And right now there's 25 out of 10 points. So I'm in the middle of grading this assignment. For MS student here, there's 0 flagged passages. And I can see that the student has submitted the assignment. So I'm ready to click on it and grade it. And my last student here is my RES student, or RES student, and I can see that they have started the assignment, but they have not turned it in yet. It's been assigned to them. So I have other students in this class, and you can see that they are not listed here, which means they have not started the assignment. So this list right here is going to show you the students who have started it with the word assigned, and the students who have turned it in where you're grading it. So if I have a student in my class that's not on this list, I need to go talk to them and tell them, get busy. So to grade this assignment, I'm just going to open this MS student. Well, let's open HS student here so you can see this. So here at the top, it tells me that I am on HS student. And I can click the drop-down arrow to go to another student, or I can click these arrows to toggle to the next student or back. I have all of these tools just like I normally do in a Google document. So I can come in here to the document and I can highlight things, comment on them. Please reword this in your own words. Comment. Students do not see this comment until I return this to them. I have all those editing tools that I have, but over here on the right hand side at the top it says not returned. So right now, editing rights to this document has been taken away from the student and given to you. So you have edit rights to this document. In order for them to see the comments that you've made and feedback and their grade, you have to return this file to them. And you can click the drop down arrow and return multiple submissions, or just this one, or just click return. Just do one. But I can create everybody in the class, return them all at once. Right underneath where it says files, this is where it shows me there's 57 flagged passages because I used the Google Originality Report. Remember, you only have 5 of those with our version of Google. So if I click on this right here, it's going to pull up the document. And it's going to, I can say percentage, or I can say account, so 57 flagged passages, or a percentage, which is 18%. And then I can actually go in here and see the student's passage and where they probably got that information. Once I'm done looking at this, I can click the X. There is also the printer if I want to print this, if I need it for documentation. But I'm going to click the X to go back to grading this assignment. So right here is where I can type in my grades. I gave them a 25. I can give them more feedback. I do also have a comment bank. So if I click this comment bank right here, it says my comment bank is empty, but I can add a comment. I can add as many comments as I like. All those things you type all the time. To get out of the comment bank, I can click this little grading icon here, and now I'm back into grading. But if I want to use the comment bank, I click on the comment bank icon, and then I come in here and I choose, I'm going to use grade. I'm going to copy to clipboard. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to highlight this paragraph right here and paste it in and make that comment. To go back to grading, I'm going to click on the grading icon. Very last thing I need to remember is if I want my students to see their grade and I want the grade to be added into Canvas, I want students to see this feedback, I'm going to click return. It's going to give me information. Click return again. And now that assignment, if I go back to the assignment details here and refresh the screen, I can now see that HS student, it's been returned to them because there is nothing listed underneath their score. And that score has been added to the Canvas gradebook.